You see it Iyah? See tours them at Iyah? Yeah man, yeah. Where your folks are from? Eh? Where your folks are from?
Leeds.
Leeds.
England.
England. You also English people
Yeah.
Leeds ain't come from.
Leeds.
So we still England
Leeds.
on support Leeds support in the English league.
Yeah.
Liverpool. Leeds half man.
Oh, Liverpool. Super Leeds.
Eh? Super Leeds. Eh? Nah man, Man U run
Oh, Man U, no. Not Man
a Man U run football at England. Arsenal.
Leeds. Super Leeds.
When last Leeds win Premier League.
We get picture?
Eh?
Picture?
You want no problem? No problem. Eh?
All of us?
Eh? Yeah. Take a picture. Yeah man. Because my team win that Costa Cup, schoolboy football at Jamaica.
Yeah.
States.
Yeah.
Yeah man, we win schoolboy football at Jamaica. Yeah. Yes, Iyah. So take care, yeah? Yeah man, yeah. Yeah man, the white people they move through your Falmouth. Yeah man, think the Falmouth is the best place to live in. Okay. Yeah. Yeah man, I tell you.
I was mindful of what he taught me.
Yeah man, respect. You see it? I walk up the line Iyah. When the tourists come to Falmouth, they must say they're happy. Falmouth is the best place. We can get city as at home. How more city they want? Eh? Eh? I don't want to continue because I don't do politics now. Look on the pile of garbage them same way. Back in the days, them things used to happen me as well. Because Duke Street me used to live. Duke Street me live for all of my life. So I know what go on at Falmouth. They must don't garbage supposed to dump yourself. And the tours them are coming in line. Eh? Eh? I'm an advice of Falmouth, you know. We talk things, them, look on tourists. Look on tourists. And look on the pile of garbage and pass the so. Ain't on the tourists them. Eh? But in their family, nobody now rob them, nobody now harass them. Because we don't stay so. Falmouth people now harass them. We never hear that tourists get missing in Falmouth and nobody do them nothing at all. Look on tourists that walk on Falmouth. They walk on the road. Eh? And that me a chat about. In a seat? Yeah. I mean man, the guy was for clear about so. Yeah man. But the people them, yes. The people them look on tours a walk. Of course never see too much tours a walk. The streets of Falmouth. Look on tourists. Eh? Falmouth is the best place at Jamaica right now, the best place to live. Falmouth. Yeah man. We can build we want a city. Enough money Falmouth to give them a central government. Enough money them collect. Tourists in a bus. Look on tourists. Eh? Look on tourists. You understand me? Yeah. The people them happy. Yes. Of course we have so much tourists the walk Falmouth. Watch it. Watch it upon tourists. Eh? Upon tourists. Eh? Now tell you. Yeah, they know. A Paris church is a first message much tourists, brother. Yeah. Let me tell you now. Hey, your glasses. Take it up. All right, boss. Yeah, man, respect. Yeah. Let me tell you. You see it? That's how we treat them. Look on tourists. Eh? Yesterday was Santa people I enjoyed the Costa Cup. Now we can't catch tourists now. Look on tourists. The first so much tourists I walk down Duke Street. Yes. My hometown. From the best place to live in Jamaica. Yeah. Tourists can move freely when I ask them. Yes. I mean, I tell you better. And when we speak out, tourists are happy, we feel happy too. The kids will be happy too. Yes. And me I target things them. You know see. Yes, Iyah. So me birth in Blaggy. Blaggy have been through COVID. Blaggy never sick yet, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
One love.
One love.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. This is the great Noel. Never sick yet. Yes, I always there. You see enough rich man dead and gone left Blaggy. Eh? And Blaggy never sick yet. Hard through COVID. Sun come burn Blaggy, rain come wet Blaggy, and Blaggy there to see me and can't sick. Eh? In Blaggy come to them. Give me the laugh, Blaggy. Give me a laugh. Give me a laugh, Blaggy. Me a tell you, brother. Yes, Iyah. Me a tell you, brother. No close on me look thing. Because sometimes, yeah man, because sometimes, yeah man, sometimes in a plan. Eh? All the best, Blaggy. I should be kind of busy now. I'm going to give me a halt on Nellis. Yes, I want Dennis, bro. Just give me a halt. I have some extra family overseas. Like Iyah and Monday. Remember Iyah and Monday and Pussy on Monday and Jello on Monday. Give me one halt on Nellis there.
Okay, and I walk to the door. It hurts me so.
Tell him, Black, give me a halt on Nellis. Yeah.
It hurts me so.
Yeah, man, tell him, brother. Yes.
What I'm saying to you, breaking up is hard.
Iyah, yeah, Blaggy.
Now,
Bama,
hard to do.
Bama, yeah, Blaggy. Dukes,
Look at
yeah,
me
Blaggy.
and say goodbye.
Allah, this is Blaggy.
You made me cry.
Never sick yet. No man dead and gone left Blaggy.
Made me cry.
Yes. Blaggy and him two lions them. See one beside him here. And see one here.
Breaking up is hard.
Give me a D-bone, give me a quick D-bone there.
Only take can't come over. Babylon can't get over.
There, tell the Blaggy.
On the morning train, only take can't come over.
There, tell you. Make them know that.
Babylon can't go over.
Yes, Blaggy. All right, Blaggy. Give thanks.
All the best.
All the best. See there? The pile of garbage them do the same way. Ain't a seed. The pile of garbage they are the same way. Them things are shooting in the dump here, so them things you find someone on the back put it up them sitting there. They should have something of you understand me? I'm back in the 70s, you know, all know that. See nothing is a dump here, so. Yeah man. Yeah. You see it? You put the pile of garbage right there, so. Yeah man. And the tourists them a traverse about the place to see me. I thought me see some more tourists a walk. I'm glad for this, sir. I'm glad. So I'm going to stop my thing right now. I'm going to stop it. Yeah. I'm going to stop it right now. But I thought me see so much tourists a walk down Mines, Duke Street. Yes. I'm telling all the while the Falmouth is the best place to live. Amount of money I make out of Falmouth. Amount of money I make out of Falmouth. Falmouth can't get the third city. Because land space, land there for the third city. Yes. Tell the bicycle man them here. I carry down them thing. See it? In a style. Look on tourists. Look on tourists. Not even what to be so much tourists I walk down a lane. I walk down a street. Eh? Look on tourists. Look on tourists. Yeah man. Yeah man, I tell you man, look on tourists, brother. Look on tourists. Are the best place to live. So I'm going to sign off for now. Because there's enough bandits that can post up. Yeah, you have to go up on the back road there and go down. Yeah man. You see it? Yes, Iyah. So Iyah and Edson family. The birthing Tino.
Yeah, pick up yourself for that Tino this.
Tino!
Yeah, I'm on a tour now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, man. Some people from
America, me have a ground, you know?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Give them a little tour about Falmouth and show them a damaged building. Oh,
yeah.
this is one of my friend home over here. See, the top is gone. There, you know, so it's
Yeah, man. Yes, Tino.
Yeah, man. Big up
Yeah,
yourself,
man.
man.
A Nancy boy.
Ah, Nancy boy. Tete brother.
Tete brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tete brother. That's her thing said. Yeah, man. Falmouth is the best place. The best place. I don't know. I don't want to come on video because I don't have to, yeah. You understand? No? It's the best place to live. The money I get them work. We support tourism, you know. But when the tourism enjoy themselves and we enjoy ourselves, same way too. Because money they drop here. Money they drop here like wow. We showing the garbage on the place, you know. What shouldn't be, brother. I should find other place them put the garbage there because from the boy I walk a street here. And since the time I garbage done on the Oak Street. Them things I talk about and people talk about politics. Yes. Yes, Iyah. I sign off for now. Yeah. Yeah, man. Me not put up on you. Me not put up on you, my friend. Yes. Yeah, man. The papers here. Me go close it. The papers here. Yeah, man. Papers. Tell us to go to them when you want to eat. And Falmouth chickens. And Falmouth chickens. I'm going to stop here, so you know. Because I'm supposed to come do some business in the Cambio. So I'm going to full up. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I'm going to Cambio go do some transaction. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. I'm not telling how much money I'm going to change, you know. Because I can't take a word here now. A Western Union, I'm going to Bill Express. Yeah, man. Yes, Iyah. So, you go post up this here. Yeah.